Pilbara Rail Maintenance is a specialist rail maintenance and construction contractor. We're based here in Karratha, primarily servicing the Rio Tinto network. PRM supplies a range of specialty services for Rio Tinto, including track renewals, ballast cleaning and resurfacing support. We've been working with Rio Tinto for 6 years now. It's been a fantastic relationship. It's helped our business develop substantially over the last few years.
PRM started with us in small-scale work, supporting us as a subcontractor, and then over the last couple of years they've really grown in terms of size and capability and now complete the major works that we have on our network.
The focus of the business was always to bring better and safer ways of conducting normal track maintenance activities. We've developed a sleeper laying system that allows a single operator to lay sleepers without having any ground staff in the danger zone of operating plant.
Rio Tinto loves supporting local businesses, and we're excited when PRM came to us with their new innovative technology. Rio Tinto provided guidance and support to PRM to help achieve their next ambitions.
One of the great things about PRM is their ability to innovate. If they see a problem, then they're going to think of an innovative way to be able to solve that. A couple of really great examples that we've seen recently have been, different ends of the spectrum. One, a solar-powered ice and cooler that makes sure that we can keep the team hydrated on track. And the other is a vacuum panel lifter, which means we get people out of the line of fire when we're changing level crossings. Partnering with local businesses gives us the opportunity to approach problems from a different perspective and look at new and innovative solutions.
As our business has grown through the support of Rio Tinto, so has our ability to be able to give back to the community. Karratha is our home, it's where our kids, where our family grew up. We have a lot of passion for the area and the community, and it's fantastic to be able to support in any way we can.
When you support local businesses, the benefits are really clear. PRM support local community groups and other businesses within Karratha and the Pilbara.
This year we're working with PRM to establish a traineeship program which will give local young people the opportunity to grow their careers in the rail industry.
PRM have shown that they have the expertise, capability and innovation to deliver work for Rio Tinto within the Pilbara.